All right, you guys, today is day 4. We are going to make our space scene with our planets. We have already gone ahead and put them on a board for you to see. It is in your book so that you can follow along, and Miss Rachel has tagged it, and she's going to put some cool videos underneath this video as well. So we have already made our space helmet. We are blasting off. We are going to space. You should have this funny looking background, okay? What's going to happen is we are going to pull this together eventually, and it's going to have all the planets on it, and we have this little slit here.
What's that for?
I don't know.
Curious.
We'll have to find out. You should also have a popsicle stick, our astronaut, and our rocket, and a cube. Interesting. All right, so first thing we need to do is we need to glue on our planets. Now, the first thing that we're going to glue on is not a planet. It's hot. It's very hot. I would totally light up if we were holding this. It is a ball of fire. It is gas. This is the sun. All right? The sun is going to go on this very far tab over here. You have all these cool tabs. All right? So the sun is going to go right here, and then everything is going to go this way, away from the sun. Is Earth right next to the sun, Miss Rachel?
It is not. No.
It is not. We would burn up.
Yep, it'd be too hot for us. So we're a couple planets away. It's just right for us.
All right, so if you zoom in over here, Miss Rachel, we put our sun on. What's the next one that goes onto our little tabs here?
So the next one is going to be Mercury.
Okay, look at Mercury. You see? It's like a little light gray. What's this white thing?
Is that a crater? Is it? Possibly. It's
We'll
kind
have
of
to
cool.
find out.
Find out.
All right, so go ahead and put your planet on there. All right. And then we should have, what is our next one, Miss Rachel?
So the next one is Venus. This one right here. It's kind of this golden yellow, almost orangey color. Venus is very, very, very hot. So it has a hard surface like the Earth, but it is very hot. So no humans live there. There's no humans on Venus, but it's our neighbor. And sometimes you can even see it in the night sky if you look closely enough.
Oh, very cool.
Wow.
Look at it. I pulled it up on my phone just so you could see.
Oh,
How cool
cool.
is that?
Yeah, looks just, oh, you can even see it rotating. Oh, that's cool.
Very cool. All right, so glue on your third tab. We're going to move Venus on over. All right, so we have our sun, we have Mercury, we have Venus. Home base,
Here we are.
home base, look over here.
We need our Earth. And with our Earth, we also have our moon. So we're going to glue those together too. They're
Yep, so our
already
moon
there.
is not a planet,
It is
but
not.
it is circles around us.
Yep.
Okay? I think ours is like one of the prettier planets, but
Yes.
I do like Saturn too, and Jupiter's pretty cool too. But look at all the colors on
You
there.
can see the beautiful land, the beautiful water. It's so cool. So cool.
Most of it is water.
Yep.
Water. So, what is right next to us?
Right next to us is called the red planet. It's called Mars. And there's Mars right there. Cool. And as you can see, actually, if you flip your planet just a little, if you rotate it, you see they have ice caps at the top and the bottom of Mars too. So
Very
if
cool.
you feel like exploring that detail, that's there too.
All right, so tab. I'll have to go back and pull up these two. I just thought about pulling out my phone to show you guys. So I can go back and show those. All right. What do we have next?
Well, next we have the biggest planet in the entire solar system. It is called Jupiter. And Jupiter has something here called a big red dot. Miss Chrissy, do you know what the big red dot is? It is a thunderstorm that has been
What?
going on for thousands and thousands and thousands of years.
Really?
Really? Yeah. Absolutely. Yep. And then, yep, you can even see it on Miss Chrissy's phone right there. There's the big red spot right there.
Very cool. All right. So thunderstorm. We cannot visit Jupiter.
No, it is full of gas. It is made of gas, so there's nowhere to land. There's nowhere to plant yourself.
Nope.
Wouldn't work. I'm sorry. It's beautiful. I mean, if you could, I would, but you can't do it.
You can't. All right, Saturn and its beautiful rings.
Yes, next is Saturn. Yep, Saturn is known for having the rings around the planet, and these rings are made of ice and rock and dust, but they're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And then it is the 6th planet.
Yep. There you go. You can see the rings there.
Look at that.
So beautiful.
So cool.
So beautiful.
All right. Can we land on Saturn?
We cannot, just like Jupiter, it is made of gas. Can't land on it. Sorry, guys.
All right. The best one.
All right, this is Uranus. This is one of our other gaseous planets. You cannot land on it either, but it is beautiful. It's kind of this greenish, bluish twinge. It's just so pretty. Look at that. And yes, if you were to see it, it's kind of tilted on its axis too, meaning that it's when it's circle like this, it kind of goes boop. So, but it's
Look
really
at the different
cool.
shades. It's crazy.
So pretty.
All right, so let's put that right here. And then we only have one more.
And our last one is Neptune. Neptune is also a gaseous planet, just like the other ones we've looked at, like Saturn and Jupiter and Uranus. It is known for its beautiful, beautiful blue color. And I'll zoom in on
Look at
Miss
that.
Chrissy's phone so you can see just how gorgeous that is.
That should be the
So,
8th. One,
yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th planet.
8th planet in our solar system.
From the sun. There we go. Last one. Okay, so of all of these, Miss Rachel, all of these planets, which one do you like the best?
Oh, you know, I think I'm gonna have to go with Jupiter. Look how big and mighty it is. So many cool colors. It's
Okay.
absolutely huge. I love it. It's so cool.
You know what I'm going to go with?
What are you gonna go with?
Neptune.
It is also beautiful.
Because I love blue.
Yeah.
And Uranus is just too light blue. I like this darker, deep
Yes.
blue. And it's got the cool little... What is this? Do we know?
Ooh, I'm not sure where that little white streak is in Neptune. I'm not sure.
It has it on here. We'll have to do a little more digging now that I said, what is that? What is that? So, all right. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to, let's glue our, take the cap off, Miss Chrissy. Let's glue our astronaut onto this stick. You want to put them onto the top, so put just a little bit of glue at the very top, and then push on our astronaut. All right, so we're gonna let him dry for a second, and then we're going to use our block, put some glue on it. Only thing left is our rocket. Okay, make sure, whoops, I'm gonna put him on this side. Make sure that you line it up so that it does not hang over, so that when we stand it up, it does hit the bottom. Okay. It's a lot of work. All right, you ready for the next one?
Let's see it.
Okay, when we pull this up and we bend it, we're gonna glue it right about here. Okay, so take your glue stick, and if you get some that's on the outside of where you lap it, it'll dry clear, so don't worry about it. Put lots of glue. Don't be shy.
Yeah, that's kind of thick paper, so it
It
kind of
is
needs a
thick
lot
paper
of glue.
because it's cool paper. All right, and then just pull it as far as you want. I mean, you can really do whatever you want. And I am gonna push, and I'm gonna hold it. Okay. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
All right, so then we have our rocket.
We still haven't figured out those slits. Is that what's next? Oh, let's see.
Push this forward. Push this slit forward. Just kidding. Push that slit backwards. No. Hold on. Miss Chrissy, what are you doing here?
Oh, you almost had it.
Yeah. It's hard to do it backwards.
Ah, there we go.
All right. And then we can move them from side to side.
He can visit all of the planets.
You can. I'm trying to figure out. Maybe. Oh, I took them off. No! I'm wondering, maybe I'll do it like that instead and not use bow slits.
Oh, there you go.
And that way you can kind of hold it from the background. That one's kind of cool. I originally put it so that it goes this way. And you could move them and put them wherever. But if you want to play with them and move them, do it the other way. But if this one, you just want to kind of visit some planets, you can do it this way. I don't know. What do you think?
I think that's so cool.
Oh, I need to let them dry.
I'm kind of jealous of the astronaut seeing all those planets.
Yeah,
That is-
go over here to my planet.
There, that's right. Look at the beautiful Neptune. That's
We
right.
have our rocket. All right, you guys. That is the space scene that I have created for you. I hope you like it. Bye, you guys.